Say it.
First tell me.
No, say the word.
Guacamole, holy guacamole. It's guacamole, it's a guacamole. Holy guacamole, holy guacamole. It's a guacamole, it's a guacamole. Holy guacamole, holy guacamole.
So,
It's a guacamole, it's a guacamole.
Stop.
Guacamole.
Say nutritious.
Nutritious.
Say it again.
Nutritious.
So, say the word.
Nutritious. Nutritious.
Wait. You say it, Sophie.
Nutritious.
Sophie.
Okay, this is a show
No, move
about
back, because I can't.
nutrition.
Move back,
You know,
because you're too close.
You know,
Move back.
people who eat nutritious people who eat nutritious food training food. Say with me. Training food. Okay. Whoever eats training food, if they eat it all the time, they could get nutritious. Like this guy ate too much watermelon. He got a crazy face, right? Right? He's a crazy one, right? Okay. Now, look up for the next ad.
Okay, so Gabriel, look here. Sophie, help. Gabriel, get up. Say the word nutritious. Say the word nutritious.
Nutritious.
Sophie, say it. No, you said you were going to say it.
First, look at my.
Say nutritious.
See the full bow.
No, I want you to say.
Can you see the full bow now?
Yes.
Look at this bow and arrow I made, and I made this arrow and I painted it. It actually shoots, but I don't want to shoot the camera. But look. Shoot the camera. When I shoot it, take a video where it goes, okay?
Mm-hmm.